You're welcome back to my channel. You're welcome back to Taron Innovative World, the home of creativity and exploit. Thanks to all my subscribers. Thank you so much for subscribing to Taron Innovative World. If you're yet to subscribe, subscribe by clicking the red subscribe button. So in today's video, I'll be teaching you how to make another beautiful handbag. So this is it. It has a front pocket with style. So your phone can go into this, money, whatever you want to go in here can go in, all right? It depends. So, all right, so now this is the inside. It has a large inside. So the inside is very big and large. Or how do I say it? So this is it. So this is what we're basically learning today. So, the measurements. All right, so now you can check the description box for the measurement, although I will be telling you. So for those that need their measurement in centimeter, check the description box. I will be dropping the measurement there in centimeter and in inches. All right, so now the measurement is for the main bag. We have 12 inches by 13.5 inches, 12 inches by 13.5 inches. Okay, so you need 2 pieces of this. All right, and then for the side rounding, okay, the side rounding you need. Okay, I'm using the wideness to be 5 inches by 40.5 inches, 40.5 or 40.5 inches for the side rounding. Now this is for the hand. Okay, so for the handle, I'm using 3 inches by 22 inches. Of course, you know you need two. You need 2 of it. Okay. So what else are we using? So as we progress, okay, so now the next thing is the front pocket. So for the front pocket, we're using 8 inches by 8 inches, okay, for the front pocket. So let's start. So now for the front pocket, now what I'm going to do is I want it to have a curve, okay? You can see that this is a curve. Can you see? It's a curve, right? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to trim it like this. I'm starting from this point. Okay. Don't lift your hand. Just do it. Okay. So this is what I have. Okay. So now you also need your belt. Okay. So I'm using gold belt, 1 inch belt. Right. So this is how it's gonna stay on the bag, right? So this is it. So definitely we're covering here. We're covering this. Is the curved side that we're covering. Okay. So don't get confused. So this is how it's going to stand. Okay. But there's a small ribbon of which is optional. You can decide to fix it, or in this video we're fixing the ribbon. So what I'm going to do now is this is it. This 5 inches. Okay. So I'm going to fix it somewhere here. Okay. You can do it like this. You can do it like this. It depends on how you want it. Okay. Okay. So, but for the one I showed you, this is how it is. So let's shift it a bit. the next thing is I'm going to be fixing my zip cloth. Okay, so I'm using a matching zip cloth. So my zip cloth is gold. All right. So I'm leaving a lot of zip cloth